Hello, what is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, we will be learning how to see your clipboard on your Android smartphone. If you don't already know, whenever we copy texts, those texts will be saved on our clipboard. Let's say you have copied something, forgot to paste it, and then accidentally copied another one. And now you can't find the text you copied earlier. It is not the end of the day. We can see the copied text on your clipboard. Accessing your clipboard is very easy. You just have to go to any apps where you can type a text, then we'll press and hold the text box. Let's press it. And now we're on our Android smartphone's clipboard. Another way is to double tap the text box. If that is not available on your phone, another way is just pressing the text box, and on our keyboard we'll see something like a three dot or a clipboard sign. But Vivo's theme is K. Let's go ahead and press that. As we can see, we now have access to our clipboard. If none of those options appear on your phone, it is possible that your phone is outdated or old, so it doesn't support clipboard. Don't worry, all you have to do is go to your Play Store and search for Gboard. We'll download it, and once it is installed, what I want you to do is copy this process. Let's go ahead and open, and let's press Enable in Settings. Click OK, go back, select Input Method, and let us select Gboard. And you are all set. To test it out, let's go ahead and look at our new keyboard. Here we will see a clipboard sign. Let's just press that, and here we will see that we can turn on clipboard. And now, as we can see, we have our clipboard available. And that is how to see your clipboard on your Android smartphone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.